Okay, now we're going to install what's called the center door stopper. This is a trigger that does not need to be trimmed. It can be left at full length. The critical nature of this is you want to set it right where you want that middle door or any door to actually stop. You can pull it beyond in either direction, but it's a natural resting spot for the door to be at normally. Okay, it goes in similar to the soft close trigger. You simply put it up into the track and you twist it into place, and then you tighten the M3 set screw to hold it where it needs to be. Okay, so we're going to use the center door stopper for the center door, and we're going to put it where we would like that door to be. Keep in mind you can still pull it in either direction beyond this, but this will be where it wants to stop because of the way it holds that top guide wheel. So I've got the center door where we'd like to keep the door when it's not open, and we're going to install the center door stopper in that position. I am measuring where the wheel is. Yeah, so that's not where it needs to be. With the center door stopper in place, you can see it stops right there, but you can also pull it beyond that if you need to the soft close. And similar to the soft close trigger, we're going to tighten the center door stopper the same way.